sitting on his bottom. Carter, can you unmute? Let's practice that again. Unmute and go ahead and make a prediction for us.
Okay, nice job. What do you think tomorrow's going to be? No, what weather do you think tomorrow's going to be? Oh, God bless you.
Bless you. That was a big sneeze.
Snow! Well, I hope that you are right, and I know Mrs. Zingo hopes you are right.
We still have a very small pile of snow in the backyard.
Oh, and we did hear that we may get a little bit more snow on Sunday. That'd be exciting, right?
Yes.
Yes. All right. Let's go ahead and say our ABCs. All right, so toys down. Big voices. Are we ready? A.
B.
C.
D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Good job. And I can see my friends who are saying it with me. All right, we're going to count all the way to 20.
So, Mrs. Hill, if I were to give out some points, because see who can get to 5 points, and those friends are going to get stickers either in school on Monday, or I'll put them in the mail to our friends who aren't in class with us. So, who did a great job doing the alphabet? Who did you see?
Okay. I could only see some of our friends because we have so many today. So I can only see 4 friends at a time, but James was doing an amazing job.
Uh-huh.
And Juancho was doing an amazing job.
Okay. And I saw Malachi, too.
Malachi. Good job, Malachi.
All right. So,
all right.
And if mommies are there and they were doing it and we just didn't see it, just let us know. And we'll go ahead and put a point. So that means those friends have 1 point. You only need 5 to be able to get some stickers.
Yay. So we're going to count to 20 now so we can earn more points. Are we ready? Good job. I can see us saying yes. All right. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
20. Good job. All right. Can we count backwards from 10? Yeah? Give me a thumbs up if we can count backwards from 10. I see 1 thumbs up, 2 thumbs up, 3 thumbs up.
Is that everybody? Did everybody earn a point then? Because they all followed directions by putting their thumbs up?
They did.
Whoop,
Awesome.
whoop.
All right. So here we go. We're counting backwards to blast off. We're starting at 10.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off!
Yay!
And I saw all of our friends doing that time too. Malachi, James, Duke, Juan, and Carter. All were counting backwards. Way to rock it, guys. Everybody's wanting some stickers.
All right. So we are moving on to our shapes. So Mrs. Mazingo, do you want to pick a friend?
I sure do. We're going to go ahead and start right here with Mr. James. I'm going to ask you to unmute.
All right, James, hit that blue button, bud. Good job.
All right, he's ready to go. Mrs. Hill.
All right. James, what shape is this?
Ooh.
Can't even see it.
A heart. Good job. It is the heart.
Nice. Up. James is up to 5 points.
James is at 5 already?
He is. He's been knocking it out of the park.
Awesome job, James. All
Good
right.
job.
Our next friend.
All right, I'm going to ask Wancho. Wancho, can you unmute? All right, he's ready to go, Mrs. Hill.
All right. Mr. Wancho, what shape is this?
Ooh.
Diamond.
What is
Nice.
it called?
Walnut.
Good
Nice.
job, dude.
And that puts Wancho at 5 points already, too. They've both already earned their stickers. I guess maybe
Yeah.
we'll have to do more
Yeah.
than 5.
I way.
Good
I
job.
Oh,
All right. Pick another friend.
all right. We're going right here to Mr. Carter. Carter's going to practice unmuting himself. He's ready to earn some points.
Nice job on meeting.
Claire, good job.
Nice, Carter. That was awesome. Let's see if we can give him one more point, Mrs. Hill, by asking him what color is that square?
All right.
What color is the square?
Let's look a little red. Let's
Mm-hmm.
red. What else? What other color do you think it might be?
What other color could it be?
What color is chocolate? Oh, my heavens. Yeah.
Good job.
Good job. All right, that puts Carter at 5 too. He's earned some stickers. Let's see if we can earn some more stickers. Gotta-
No, we're not done, honey. We're gonna keep trying to earn, and maybe I can give you another sticker.
Ooh.
Maybe an extra
Pick
sticker.
another friend.
Okay.
All right. All right, here we go. We're going down to Mr. Duke. All right, Duke, can you unmute yourself? And Malachi's doing a great job waiting.
Good job, Duke. Duke, what shape is this?
Rectangle.
It is a rectangle. Good job.
And what color is that rectangle, Duke?
Blue.
Woohoo! He too is at 5 points. My goodness, we are earning so many stickers. All right, we're going to go on to Malachi, who's been waiting so nicely. Malachi's going to unmute. And he's going to answer. You ready, Malachi? You got it, buddy? Can you unmute yourself?
Push that blue button now.
Do you see the blue button coming up in your screen? There you go. You did it, bud. All right, Mrs. Hill.
Malachi, what shape is this? Oval. That is oval. What color is that oval?
Say.
It is gray.
Good job, Malachi. All right, Malachi also has 5 points, so I guess we're going for some more stickers. All right. You guys are rocking it. All
All
right.
right. Did we get everyone, Mrs. Zingo?
We did.
All right. So all of my friends, what color is this? Red. Can everyone make a angry face for me? Make an angry face. Oh, good
Oh.
one. Good one. Look up.
Look at all those angry faces. So
All right. What color
that's-
is this?
Wancho and Carter.
What color is this? Blue.
Blue.
Sad face for me.
You see that sad face? Oh, look how sad they all look, Mrs. Hill.
All right. How about this one? What color is this?
Ooh, yellow.
Yellow. Make a happy joy face for me. Yay! How about this? Snow. All right. 3 little kittens. They lost their mittens and they began to
Cry.
cry. and U. So, Mrs. Mazingo, are we going to move on to our one letter, or are we just going to review?
We can, well, how about if we just say next week we're going to start with a magical letter and we'll keep on cruising on.
You're muted, Miss Mazingo.
Sorry. I said, how about if we just say next week's letter is a magical letter and that we'll just keep on cruising on and we'll go into our story.
All right. So we're going to go ahead and skip this day. And we're done, and we're going to move right into our story.
Yes.
So I'm going to stop my